Hi everyone, today I will show how to get a free and legal post-processor for Mastercam. It works for Mastercam 2026, 2025 and 2024 and I will show exactly how to do it. Step 1. Type on Google Mastercam post, Ike Mill post. Click on the eMastercam link. Step 2. Find the download link by scrolling the page until you see the word Free Post-Processor In-House Solution. By the way, I will put the direct link that leads you to Step 3 in the description if you don't want to search from Google. Step 3. The link will direct you to the in-house solution website. This is the official place to get files. You need to fill empty boxes on the screen. When you finish this, click the Submit button. And now you are able to download your files. You need to choose your download folder to save files. After a while of waiting, you get your post-processor on your laptop. And congratulations, you did a great job and you finished this step successfully. In the next video, we will see how to install this tool on your Mastercam software. If this video helps you, please like, share and subscribe on the channel. See you next time.